Welcome back to Risk of Rain with Anubis me. I'm Boris Pravisham, by the way, and Krolitian.
Just like Crow. Not saying the one there.
Last time it suggested to lower the difficulty, and Anubis, can you lower the difficulty?
We're already on the lowest one. Are you ready?
Yeah, I think we're ready.
Let's try not to die this time.
Okay, let's go this way. No, or that way.
Let's go on an adventure. I'm sure there's a chest up here. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, I missed it. Whatever. You guys go get stressed. I'll do this thing.
Can I make it? Oh, how come you can't make
Rewards,
that?
health. Awesome. I have health.
Where is your health anyway? I have no idea.
It's the green thing in the bottom. The brownish
there.
thing.
Okay. Let's see, can I make this thing? Okay, and then... Oh, cannot make that.
Let's just go activate the boss right at the start. What is that? Oh, I'm an open container. Whoa, XP.
Oh, there's a thing here.
I am off
Oh,
on
you
my
already opened
adventure. Is the teleport gonna be like the same place?
It moves around every time. Hey, you took that. That was mine.
And jump
Boris.
high. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, there's something over there. What is that? What is this mysterious thing? What is this?
Ooh, yeah, I want that.
Oh, we're healing
Go away,
drone.
Boris.
I want that.
I want that.
I want the healing drone. You guys spend your money on that. I'm gonna go get some $40.
It's a standoff. Oh.
Oh, enemy.
What is that? Prison shack. Slow enemies on attack.
Okay.
Come on, enemy.
Can I? How do you
Oh,
actually
that's
use
this
this?
was for shooting.
Let me kill you so I can get the drone. What's so many kills? I need drone.
Okay.
Drone. No. Damn it.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
All right.
$7 away from my drone.
We got this, guys.
Oh man, we're so pro.
Oh! There's a thing over here. There's two things over here. There's three things over here.
Here's the
man, I missed
portal. I'm gonna go ahead and activate it when we are completely unexperienced. Whoa! Jellyfishing!
Run!
Ah.
Jellyfishing! Jellyfishing! Oh god! Whoa! Help! Help! What is that? I don't know. Help me! I don't want to
Oh,
die.
I've got like a shadow.
I can buy drone. Someone take him off me. He's hammering me. Drone, save me. Oh no. Why is he only following me? This isn't fair. Oh my god. Oh jeez, he just took out half my health. No. Boris, take him off me.
I'm working on it.
He went right through you. He's just focusing on me. Oh god, this is not fun. Stay attack, ha! Didn't see that coming. Help me, Boris.
Run!
I
Oh
have my
god,
own
no.
problems. The ladder seems safe. I might
Help.
stay here.
Take him off my hands. Stop following me. Oh jeez, this guy's gonna kill me. He's like glued to me.
Come help us, please.
Leveled up.
Oh, we got this.
How?
Oh, we're under the enemy's part. Only 11
This
left.
guy is still like right on my butt.
Oh, I'm coming to help you.
Please do.
There we go.
Yay! What is that? Whoa, slows enemies on sack.
That's all you needed was me to show up.
Yeah, and then just dies.
Level up.
Yay!
Seem to be doing a lot better on this one.
Yeah. Probably get like 2 rounds in this episode.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Oh,
The most difficult thing is jumping.
Here's our last guy up here.
you do the honors, Crow.
Unless I die randomly. Or he falls down. He can fall down. And he stole my kill. See how it
Did
is.
I? Oh,
I don't know.
I was just
Doesn't
trying to
tell
help.
Do a barrel roll!
Boing, boing.
Yay!
I did it.
Too late. Yeah! 2 levels in 1 episode. Let's do this. Leap of faith. I made it. $50 chest. You useless.
Fun teleporter. Oh, I missed it.
Oh, 2 $50 chests. And more, everything's $50. And that's $165. I won't be buying you.
I've only got $2.
Yeah, I got 2. Wait, do we all share money?
Oh, is that what that share thing was?
I don't know.
Might have been.
Yeah, it was like 4 share items. I don't know what it actually does. Oh, come on, really?
Yeah, I have $6 now. Do you have $6?
I have
none.
$9.
Oh, 9, yeah, 9 and 9. Yeah, share.
Maybe we're sharing, yeah.
Yeah. Sharing time. Die, white guy. No, that's racist. Oh, guys. Where did he come from? Ooh.
Can't shoot for that. Hey, shoot you.
Oh, no. No, no. Help me. Help me. Oh, my God. Help. Bad. Very bad. Thank you. Oh, jeez.
There you go.
That was close.
I did something useful.
Yeah, you saved me. More jellyfish coming. Jellyfishing, jellyfishing. Ouch.
Come on. Die, die, die. Oh, run away, run away, run away.
We should probably activate the portal real quick because it's probably just gonna keep respawning enemies
Yeah,
until we activate the portal.
we do that, yeah.
Until it finishes. So we just gotta
Where's
rush
the
in,
portal?
activate the portal. Probably the same place. I guess not. Right side then. We're in the wrong
Thanks,
way,
Boris.
people.
Oh, no. Ah.
Oh, whoa! There's an underground cave. Or is that just our...
How do you use stuff?
the G.
G. Ah.
Yeah. It's like a throwable
Oh,
thing.
I've got a shadow again.
Whoa! When that happened? Now I shoot like both ways when I do my Oh, what? Oh, when I was holding up when I did my like burst thing, it did like some dual wielding something. I don't know.
Yeah, if there's enemies on both sides, it shoots
Oh.
both ways
That's cool.
with one of the attacks.
Oh damn!
Okay, I'm going up here. I think it's up top.
I don't see it up here.
Where are you?
On the right side of the map.
Okay, I'm up on the left here. I don't see it
Drop
over here.
down. Oh, found it.
Did you find it? Cool.
Yep. Go. Stay alive. Not gonna happen. Run.
All right, we're on the timer.
All right.
The
Where's
world's gonna
that?
show up. Oh,
Where's that crazy looking guy? We gotta find the crazy looking guy. How you guys doing over there?
I'm still alive.
Great to hear.
I'm doing well.
Oh my goodness, I got jellyfish coming from everywhere. Ah!
So no one found the boss yet. He's still perfect health.
Okay, we're gonna have 1,000,000 jellyfish coming. And it's all my fault. Ah, run!
Oh, what did you bring with you?
Oh, jeez.
Oh my
Yeah,
god!
dangerous.
Run, 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 run,
Oh,
run!
whoa, whoa.
Alright, I'll
Okay,
just go this way. Oh, more golems. What is that? Oh, oh man, I was gonna go get that chest and then boop, that guy popped in. He's stuck on it. Oh, that's great. Oh, geez, he's got here. Oh, there's the boss. He's like in the middle of the map, towards the left side. Oh, looks like he found him. There you go, Boris.
Run, run, run,
Help
run,
me
run.
fight him.
But where are you? Oh, down.
Next to the boss. Oh, you dead? You're not dead. Fight Boris when you get down here.
I just want to heal. I'll just leave you do that.
Man, oh man.
I'll just kill this guy by myself. No worries. Yay!
Oh, you did.
Whoa! Smite
Right,
them!
I'll come down
Smite
now
them
then.
all! Is that? How do I smite them?
Oh, I just did my use thing at the wrong time.
Whoa! Goggles!
Oh, I fell.
Yeah.
I fell. There's a
Double
hole.
damage. Ooh, we have a chance to double damage.
I'm
Yeah.
way down beneath you, Crow.
Yeah, I said there's a kid
like
in
a
there. I
hole.
just thought it was art.
Oh no, I fell.
Oh, jeez. Is it no way up?
Die! Die!
Oh, geez.
Luckily,
Well,
I
fell.
managed to come back.
Oh, yeah.
You
Oh,
guys
thank
left me
God.
all alone here.
Sorry, we kind of fell into the abyss.
I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Whew.
Baby faith. Alright, let's not fall into the hole.
Whoa, whoa,
Unless there's some
whoa,
cool
whoa,
stuff
whoa.
down there.
Can I not get them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we gotta get these guys, so boom. Oh, that was the wrong button.
What is this?
I got
Oh,
ice cream
missile
cone.
drone.
I
I
found
want that.
fungus.
My
Heals
missile
quickly
drone.
when standing still. Oh, I like that one. Make some
Oh, that's what I
fungus.
had.
Boop, 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 boop.
So useful. Any more buying stuff up here?
Where are the monsters? We have 21 left.
Oh, I can go this way.
Oh yeah.
Oops. What a great troll of rope.
Yep, I followed you up. Alright, the three of us are together. Take them all out. Well, except for Boris, he ran off in the wrong direction.
Yeah. We did it, yay! Alright.
No, 17 enemies, we're still somewhere.
Yes.
Ah,
All the way on the right side of the map, probably.
we're all still alive though, that's awesome.
Yeah. I want to try that
What
parkour
could
map.
possibly go wrong?
I must win this parkour.
Oh, falling from that
Do
height
this.
actually hurts.
Hurry! Go! Oh, that's impossible. That's not right. You have to have some super jump.
Where did you guys go?
I'm following you.
I am smiting them. My smitey abilities. That was easy. The power of smite is within
Oh,
me.
there's a thing down here to buy for 50 bucks.
Don't buy it. Whoa, what was that? That was
First aid.
Oh, I'm gonna jump off this missile. Oh, this is so cheap, guys. Look. Alright, so my missile only fires when I'm off the rope. I jump. That's it. I just keep jumping and it'll fire at them.
Really?
This is great. I have to wait for a charge and then boom.
Oh, I shoot in both directions now.
Smite them all. Guess the last guys are below us.
Oh, the teleporter thingy.
We got
Oh,
it.
jeez, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. No. Oh,
It,
I
it
am
already
dead.
says you've died.
Oh,
Yeah.
jeez. My health is still going down. That's how fast I died. Oh. Mother.
Got him. Alright, what else we got?
Is
Go to
that
the
all
portal.
then? Okay,
We gotta
it's
go
down.
to the teleporter. Where's the teleporter?
Go
Left
down.
side. Oh, yeah.
I think the green thing's a teleporter, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
My
green
health
now.
lied to me. It was like, hey, you still have full health. And then
Oop.
once I was like, oh, I'll just...
Sunken Tombs.
Sunken Tombs.
Oh.
We've probably gone over the 20-minute mark.
Open the container.
I think this will be in the next episode.
Oh, it says 13:51 in the top right.
But
Open
we've
our
done
container.
2.
Oh, yeah, right.
The snails
Yeah, so-
attack.
And welcome back to Risk of Rain.
That's right. Welcome back.
Continuing
Yeah. We already
Round,
started.
round 3. We've made it to a round 3. Oh, I'm not going well.
Oh, got him.
Oh, I'm
Alright.
shooting Anubis. That was my problem.
There's a container over here, and that's it. Let's go the other way. Other way.
Other way?
Yeah, it can't. It's not
Whoa!
the other way. Oh my god. Whoa, who activated him? Oh, jeez. Yeah, missile drone, get him.
Everybody shoot!
Oh, you stole my missile drone
was
and I died.
easy.
I see how it is.
Everybody
Stole my
fights.
missile drone.
Nobody quits.
I missed my
Whoops.
missile
I
drone.
didn't mean to put that down. I didn't even know what it does.
It lights up the night.
Behind you.
Oh, keep going. We need to find a thingy. Teleporter.
Alright, transfer rewards. Let's do this. And that was a bad chance.
We don't have enough money yet. That one we can do. A knife. Rusty blade.
Oh, jeez. Nice.
Chance to bleed on hit. Hope that's for the enemy, not me.
Oh, there's another golem. And let's fight him. Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck.
Yeah, some of them can't get off ledges. And
I mean, like, he's like stuck. He can't walk over to me. He's sailing too low. Oh, jellyfish.
Oh, here comes the big nasty thingy. Oh, but he's going after Boris.
Whoa,
It's
whoa.
okay.
Yay! Oh, that doesn't share.
Oh,
Oh, some stuff doesn't share. That's when it has like a don't no share thing over it.
Oh, I'm getting beaten.
Jellyfish, now!
Oh, jellyfish! Ah, run, 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 run! You shall not pass. Die, 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 die. And I love that our bullets just go all the way across the screen until they hit something.
Has anyone activated the portal yet?
Have we not
no,
activated
I
the
haven't
portal?
seen anything.
No, we still have to find the teleporter.
Yeah.
I
They're
thought
just
we'd
gonna
done
keep
that.
respawning.
Oh.
Oh,
Well,
There's
have fun.
water.
I'm gonna
Oh,
die.
jeez.
I wasn't even watching my health, and I died.
Oh no, I'm drowning. No.
Oh, jeez.
There appears to be a case down here. Take it! Whoa! Create a shadow partner for 15 seconds. Awesome. Let's do this. Shadow partner, yeah. Does that really do anything?
It seems to double your,
I guess.
yeah.
I am killing with shadows. Why did I drop this? What is that? Best
I'm in the
served
water.
cold. I don't know what that is. Alright, where's the portal? Yeah, it's a bounce thing. I don't see the portal over here.
Ah, come on.
Whoa. Is that it? Oh, that's a weird looking portal if that's the portal. Oh, there's a portal. I found another like thing. It's weird. Let's do this. There's some weird stuff this
Oh,
level.
come on. Run, run,
It
run,
is
run,
good
run,
to
run.
stay alive.
Oh, there's two of
Which
them now.
Anubis is having trouble.
I found a
Run!
summoning thing, I think. I don't know what this is.
I've got 3 jellyfish, massive jellyfish on me.
Artifact unlocked. Oh, I found an artifact. Oh my god.
Can I get
Whoa,
out of
when
here?
I teleported.
Oh,
Oh, jeez. Do not teleport from the bottom to the top. Oh my god. Run!
Yeah, you teleported right to where Anubis
right to
died.
where I died with a million things on me.
Smashed. Is
I was
Boris
trying to
alive?
run around to heal, but
No.
it wouldn't give me a
They're
moment.
both dead?
Yeah, we are
I
now.
died quite a
Oh,
while
great.
ago.
Oh, it's just wonderful. I'm almost dead already. Take to the water. You'll never get me. Oh,
I
my
could've
god.
gone down there?
And watch,
you're in
watch.
trouble
Once you
now.
get down here, it teleports you.
Oh, really?
Boom! They got trolled. Oh my god, there's so many. No!
Whoa.
Oh,
What was that?
Whatever it was that killed you.
Yeah.
well, we got new records.
Yay!
Everywhere.
Well then, we made it through, guys.
Round 3. Woohoo!